How to use and rotate ruler in OneNote. Attempting to draw crisp geometric mockups, architectural grids, or clean division margins freehand inside your OneNote pages usually leaves your canvas layouts looking crooked and unprofessional. While simply hoping your hand stays steady won't yield clean documentation results. Today, we are deploying the latest Microsoft OneNote, digital ruler, mastering hidden mouse wheel, and touch rotation shortcuts to capture pixel-perfect straight lines at any exact angle in this video. Okay, so let's pull the asset out of your toolbar onto the current node sheet. So just open up your desktop app. I highly recommend using this one because if you use a web version, it will pretty much give you limited functionality. Move your eyes to the top ribbon directory array and click directly on the Draw tab. So let's just open up our notebook and press on Draw. Okay, got it, thank you. And locate the Writing and Annotation Tools panel. Move to the right-hand side of the tray layout and click once on the ruler icon, this one here. And the straight edge grid asset will snap onto your display, as you can see, instantly at a standard default angle. Okay, and now let's manipulate the orientation angle cleanly based on your specific hardware setup. So firstly, the position. Left-click anywhere on the body of the ruler asset and drag your mouse to slide it across your canvas nodes folder, like this. As you can see, you can drag it as you wish. Then, the rotation. Move your cursor arrow so it's hovering directly over the top of the ruler's elements. And then just simply roll your mouse scroll wheel up or down, like this. And as you can see, we are changing the angle of our ruler. And also the alignment will rotate smoothly in exact 1 degree increments, tracking the angle overlay numbers in real time. Also, place 2 fingers firmly on the ruler, graphic surface, and twist your wrist pivot to pivot the angle, or use a 2-finger vertical slide on your laptop's trackpad framework. And just select your primary pen or highlighter asset, drag your cursor along the edge of the tool, and it will snap perfectly locked straight vector line across your Notes workspace page. Hopefully this video helps you out. As always, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.